Starting temperature -1 degrees, -1. And the starting mileage is 55246, 55246. Hey YouTube, it's gentlemansnine. I'm out to get my Arctic bear ride in. It's -1 out. Feels unusually cold for me. But then again, I haven't been riding a whole lot because the weather's been all wacky. So I've been taking the cage back and forth to work. So typically when I'm driving back and forth to work, I listen to podcasts, but I happened to be listening to the radio once, and a song came on which very much reminded me of my past back in high school. So my question to you guys is, do you have a song that you kind of relate to some particular emotional event, whether it's in your present or your past? So in my case, it happens to be the past. And I actually have two songs that remind me of two specific events. They weren't, so they were emotional for me, but I don't want to say like, I experienced a death or anything. It wasn't like that. But it definitely was very emotional for me. Both these events were of the same type and very traumatic for me. And in both cases, it happened to be that there was a song that I just happened to hear that I associated with that event from that point forward, all the way till today. And don't mind me if I crack my face shield, I'm steaming up here. So I'm going to try to insert a clip of each song into this video. I'll put the first one here. And this is the second one. And I'm going to try to leave them short so that hopefully YouTube doesn't block the content. So I don't want to play like actual words, but I want you to guess what those songs are. And it just happened to be that, I don't know if the song was coming out at the time or I just happened to hear it, but I really connected with that song. And, obviously I was very sad, very depressed. But today, obviously not crying over the situation, but it brings up some nostalgia. I can remember what I was thinking at the time, the people that were involved, and well, it might have been sad back then. I think today it's very I'll call it emotionally touching, because I wouldn't change anything that happened for me in the past, even all the negative stuff. I think it's a big reason for who I am today. And I gotta be careful because there's a remote chance that said people might actually be listening to this video or watching this video. But yeah, do you guys have a song that you relate to or can relate to, whether it's some present day event or some event in the past that really reaches into your soul and really defines the meaning of what happened to you at the time? Those were my two songs. I don't know if you guys have yours. Where are these people coming from? I swear there's nobody behind me. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Ending mileage 55265, 55265. Starting temperature -1 degree. Hey YouTube, it's gentlemansnine. I'm going to start over.